So I want to show you real quick what that looks like when I say it becomes self-funding. So here, let me pull up a calculator. So, as I mentioned with Connects, it's going to vary by the job. But like I said, what I'm used to seeing is more like 4 to 21, somewhere in between there. So let's, on purpose, let's go with the high end. Let's say that every job you're applying to is 20 Connects to apply for it, okay? So if it's 20 Connects and it's 15 cents a Connect, now keep in mind too, when you buy the $9.99 beginner month, you're not even paying 15% or 15 cents. What would that be? We'll say that that's 10 bucks. So you're paying 10 cents a Connect for those first 100. But in this case, again, I'm going to do the worst case scenario. So let's do 20 Connects times 15 cents. So you are paying $3 to apply to a job. Okay, that is a 20 Connect job. For some of you, it will be less. Some of you, it might be a little bit more, but $3, right? Now, are you going to send that first application? Is it going to turn into a job? Probably not, right? So let's say you have to put out 10 applications before you got your first job. Okay, so if we did that, so it's 3 times your 10. So you spent $30 getting 10 applications out. And like I said, for some people, you'll put 3 applications out and you'll land your job. For other people, you might have to put 20, 30 applications out. Like it might take more, right? But for most of you, I believe that it's going to fall for most of you around that like 10 to 20 mark is probably where you're going to go. But for some of you, it may happen a lot quicker. And it also just depends on what jobs are out there that day. Like it's very much sometimes can be like there's great beginner jobs some days and other days it might be real quiet. So, but let's say it's 30, right? But that beginner job that you got only paid $20. You know, and this will make more sense tomorrow, but I'm going to show you how to target these really easy, fast beginner jobs so that we can start to seed your profile. That's the whole idea, is that we need to send Upwork signals that people are hiring you, people are happy with the work you're doing, you're getting good reviews, both publicly and privately. And the main thing is we want to get those stars on your profile because that is the client view where they're going to see that you have stars next to your name. When you're first applying, before you've landed your first job, you have no job success score, you have no stars next to your name, like there's no social proof. So it's the hardest one. That's what I'm talking about how you have to invest up front in order to start to get your momentum. So you're $10 in the hole, right? So now let's say, okay, now you're going to do 10 more applications. So now we're going to spend $30 more. So now we're up to $40 in the hole from what we've done. But now let's say the second client we get, it's going to get easier because now you have the stars. You may not have a job success score yet. Job success score normally happens somewhere between week 1, week 2. So let's say there's no job success score, but you have stars.